life has brought you to this moment. The time has come for you to prove. Come here! This is classic filmmaking.
The movie is a ninja film set in the modern day, which has incredible action and martial arts.
There is only one way to become an assassin. You must learn the way of the ninja. Our way is the only way. We had this thought that the martial arts film hasn't really had its due.
We didn't want to rely on wire work, camera tricks, editing, visual effects. So we went about putting together a team that had either parkour training, martial art training, or a high level of acrobatic training.
It is not enough to conquer your fears. You must also focus the mind. The whole team trained, and that's what makes it special. It is not enough to master the art. You must be prepared to use it.
A ninja? Are you kidding me?
You can call them whatever you want, but they are out there, and they are killing people.
With every strike, you must be willing to kill. We are unstoppable. Join us. Assassin.
And it's a kick-ass movie.